Okay, it's Monday, February 27th. I'm going to buy some SPY 400 puts here at 351. This is on the 15-minute chart. We started up a little bit. There were some stocks that moved up strongly, but after this big push down here, I think it's going to take out the intraday lows, and then this could be the start of that failure that I was beginning to that I was kind of discussing might be unfolding here on the charts in the bigger picture. So, the daily chart right now at the moment is we're taking out the lows of the day. So we're at the downside. We'll see if we kind of fill this gap a little bit. That's kind of what's unfolding right here. I don't think it's the type of price action where you're going to kind of come down here and then work and then broaden out back to those highs again. So this could be the high of the day on bar number 3. We'll see if we get to the intraday lows here. That's kind of the next target. Again, let's watch. We hit this first target here, the lows of the day. So let's see if that kind of holds. And as long as that doesn't really pop up too much, we'll have a fair value gap in here to hold as resistance. We should work down towards that area. That should set up a nice trade. And then we can see how this day ends, on the daily chart. Is this a failure that failed to move up to that target? And begins the weekly chart, kind of reversing pretty quickly here in the morning on Monday, working its way lower as kind of discussed in the pre-open video. So we'll find out. Again, it was this big drop here. It's a type of price action where when the high or low of the days, you expect them to form early. It looks like the high of the day is forming early in this case. You never know for sure, but that's kind of with the big picture bias to the downside. I'm going to play that this kind of continues lower, at least towards those pre-market lows, and then kind of see at that point whether you get continuation or not. But it looks like we could end up, what we're going to look for is a nice shooter day on the daily chart to end up, and that'll obviously, then project even lower as the week moves on. So let's see what happens here. And in the SPY 400 puts at this point in time.